I done came a long way like I was K-Slay. In my heyday, I was young and productive.
Still productive.
You gotta love it. If you hate it, I don't give a fuck. Cause whether you suckers like it or not, I get a lot of love. They tryna hold me back, but I'm a fucking boss. Nobody telling me shit. That's how you cut a loss.
Before it happened.
I gotta try to keep my sanity. Lord knows I gotta try to stay away from vanity. I only troll fine bitches.
What's going on, guys? It's King Leo coming at you again. Today I want to talk about methods to use in order to get more business on Taskrabbit, okay, as a tasker. Now, there's a group that I follow. I'm going to leave that link in the description below, okay? The group I follow on Facebook is called Taskrabbit. I think it's called Taskers United. And it's basically a bunch of taskers on the Taskrabbit platform that are all, they all congregate in this group, okay? And there was somebody that pointed out how after they became an elite, it seemed to them like they're getting less business than what they used to get before they became a elite member. Now I'm gonna explain a little bit about this whole elite thing. When I first got started, some of y'all may or may not know, I almost quit. I almost quit because I didn't know that the reviews that you have on your profile, that's what counts. The reviews count, okay? I can't even count the amount of customers that told me to my face, yeah, Isley, you got great reviews. You got great reviews, That's the reason why people hire me a lot. This is the reason why, this is the primary reason why I use Taskrabbit as my full-time source of income. That's number one. Number two, the main topic I wanted to talk about, guys, is don't just have one task on the Taskrabbit platform that you do. Don't just pick one service that you do for other people. It's not smart at all. When you choose just one service that you're good at, what you got to understand is at different times of the year, that service will go up and go down. For instance, the moving task is down right now. And guess what? If the moving task was the only task that I had on my profile, I wouldn't be getting that much business, which in turn, obviously, I wouldn't be making that much money anymore. But I do furniture assembly as well, and guess what? Furniture assembly right now is booming. So far, I think furniture assembly is one of the main categories, guys. I want y'all to listen to me closely. Furniture assembly is one of the main categories you want to get yourself into if you want to keep on making money. You want to make money every single week. People always need a TV stand built, kitchen chairs built, tables, couches, lamps, dressers, desks. People always want something built, something assembled, okay? So keep that in mind, guys. And that's basically what this video is about. I think furniture assembly is one of those tasks that I think everyone should have on their list of tasks that they do for other people. Okay? That's just my personal opinion. You can do whatever the heck you want. And what y'all gotta understand is, before I got into furniture assembly, I honestly believed that furniture assembly wasn't for me. You can't, what you should never do is say, I can't do that. That's not for me. try it out first. You never know. You might prove yourself wrong. Okay? So basically, guys, furniture assembly is one of those tasks where you will get a lot of business throughout the year, man. So far, I get business every single week from furniture. Every single week from furniture assembly. What you gotta understand is, I started furniture assembly way after I started helping people move. As we speak, I got about 96 tasks, okay? 96 tasks completed for the moving help category. And then for furniture assembly, I got 85 as we speak. 85. What you have to understand is, I didn't start furniture assembly until like, what, 3 months after I joined? I think it was like 3 months after I joined, and already I caught up that quick to the amount of moving help tasks that I completed. That goes to show right there how in demand furniture assembly is, guys. So that's basically what this video is about. I hope this helps a lot of you out there that are struggling on the platform, and that's basically it. And I think it'll be a good idea, guys, to join Taskers United on Facebook. Once again, I'm gonna leave that link in the description below. Okay, make sure you subscribe. It's King Leo. Y'all already know what it is. Peace.
Hella paper flowing to me from separate sources. So much dope in the bank, it's hard to count the losses. The last of a giant breed, yeah, I'm talking bosses. Made of money, I made of money. Hella paper flowing to me from separate sources. So much dope in the bank, it's hard to count the losses. The last of a giant breed, yeah, I'm talking bosses. Made of money, I made of money. You can keep that $30, boy, I made of money. That's lesson learned, yo, that's why it's hard to trust.